Dear students of class 10, in this video we shall learn the chapter area related to circles, which is chapter number 12 of your NCERT book. So let us begin this chapter. First of all, let us understand what is actually a circle. Dear students, the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a certain point in the plane is called a circle. A circle is defined by its diameter or radius. You know very well. The perimeter or circumference of a circle is the distance around the outside, and the area of a circle is the space inside its boundary. Actually, the ratio of circumference and diameter is called pi. So, dear students, the formula for the area of circle is pi r square, and the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. The first question of the exercise. The radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. So dear students, let us try to solve. Let the radius of first circle is 19 cm. So according to formula, its circumference will be 38 pi centimeter. Similarly, the radius of second circle is 9 cm. So its circumference will be 18 pi centimeter. So the sum of these two circles, the circumferences of these two circles will be 38 pi plus 18 pi. That will be 56 pi centimeter. Now we have to find the radius of that circle whose circumference is the sum of the circumferences of these two circles. So we can express an equation as 2 pi capital R equal to 56 pi. And finally we get the radius of the resultant circle that the question is asking for, that is 28 centimeter. Now the second question. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. So dear students, let us try to solve this. In question number 2, again we have two circles of radii 8 cm and 6 cm. Let us consider the radius of first circle is 8 cm. So its area will be pi into 8 square, that is 64 pi centimeter square, as you can see on the screen. Similarly, the area of second circle will be pi into 6 square, that is 36 pi centimeter square. Now according to given condition, we have to find the radius of that circle whose area is the sum of the areas of these two circles, that is 36 pi plus 64 pi, that is 100 pi. So for this, let us consider the radius of resultant circle is capital R. Now we can frame an equation like pi capital R square equal to 100 pi, that is the sum of the areas of these two circles. And finally, after solving, we get the radius of the resultant circle at 10 centimeter. Now question number 4. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Dear students, let us try to solve this question. It is given that the diameter of the wheels of a car is 80 centimeter. So its circumference will be 80 pi centimeter by using the formula as 2 pi r. Now the distance travelled by the car in 10 minutes will be 66 into 1000 into 100 into 10 divided by 60, that is 11 lakh centimeter per second. We have converted the speed into centimeter. Now we know that the number of revolutions can be calculated as the distance travelled by the car divided by the circumference of wheel, and by doing so we get the number of revolutions as 4375 in 10 minutes. So it is the answer. Dear students, it is hoped that the rest of the questions can be solved by you. Thanks for your time.